Using camera shots wisely can really boost the visual impact of your video. Today, I'll show you 3 efficient ways to edit shots and speed up your workflow. After clicking 3D Generate, you can either click the camera track on the timeline or go straight to 3D Shots at the bottom to enter the camera editing interface. Method 1. On the timeline, select the camera track you want to adjust. Then, click any shots on the library to replace it instantly, and you could play the video to preview in real time. Method 2. Adjust shot duration. If you want to use the same shot across multiple scenes, just drag the edge of the track left or right to adjust how long the shot holds. No need to edit each one manually. Just drag to replace shots, making your workflow much faster. Method 3. Split the shots. Select a camera track and click the split icon at the top left of the timeline. You'll see split points above the timeline. Click any of them to split the shot and switch to a different one. Once you're done editing, click Preview in the top right corner to see the results.
Raw materials, the basics for production, like wood for furniture, work in progress, items currently being made but not finished yet, and finished goods, the products ready for customers.
Rendora offers a wide range of professional-grade camera movements and powerful editing features, so you can easily create high-quality videos. Go ahead and give it a try.